Okay, beginning on page 270, we're working with managing your layout. In layout design, you must be very aware of the width taken up by your page elements. If the total width allotted to an element extends beyond its container, the element will wrap to a new line, ruining your layout. The width taken up by an element is calculated as follows. Total width is content plus padding plus border, okay? And so you can see the style rule there on page 271, how you could use that, okay? Using the outline style, they show you down there, applying a near regular shaped outline, an outline covering a span of text within a paragraph, where you're drawing a border around just that text. And they explain that there, and you can take a look at figure 446, where it talks about outlines. Okay, and now let's go ahead and go to CP styles. And at the bottom, we add another rule. This is a thin border. And we'll save it, and we're going to refresh the cycle page. And you can see that that's what that looks like. Okay, and then we're going to go back and delete it because that looks really, really busy. So we'll get rid of that. Because it was the asterisk, it did it for everything on the web page. Okay. So we're going to go down, we're going to go to CP reset. Well, here, now I'll refresh it because I just deleted it. CP reset, and we're going to remove the selector for story. We're getting down there. We've got about all of it there. Control S, and now go back to the style sheet. And we're going to go to the bottom, and this is story. Okay, and we're going to do Control S, and let's see if we did this correctly. It should look like the bottom of page 275, and it does. So now we're going to go to page 276 and 277 and enter some more code. So as you can see, that didn't work. So I can see the margin here, but I can't really see a margin up here. So I'm going to pause and see if I can find my error. Okay, I had a space between the number and the PX in my code, and that's why this wasn't being affected. And now I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to do the code on page 279, and we'll pick up with it when I'm done with that. Okay, so I just typed these last two rules here for the figure box, and I'm going to save, and now I'm going to refresh. And it looks like the one on page 280. So now we're done working with margins, padding space, and borders.